Hi guys, today we're going to share Charita's favorite winter polishes. Let's get started. The first one is Masura's Fluffy Plaid. This is a very muted shade of lavender with grey undertones, or you can say a dusty purple. It is a mixture of subtle hollow shimmer with iridescent flakies. It dries down to a smooth and glossy finish. It needs 2 coats for full coverage, and the best part of Masura is that it dries faster as compared to an average nail polish. The next one that we have here is from Tips, and the shade is called Raspberry. It's a nude pink base with multicolored glitter. It dries to a nice glossy finish as well and can add a top coat for that smoothened look. It needs 3 coats for full coverage, but if you're someone who would prefer a sheer and subtle polish, 1 or 2 coats is perfect for you. Another favorite of hers is one from Mooncat, If Frog Had Wings. Iridescent flakies in a sheer blue base with a pink shift. It dries down to almost semi-matte look that is not completely matte or glossy. It needs 2 to 3 layers for long nails, but in itself, even 2 coats are good enough. From Masura, it's called Nude Fireworks. This is a neutral and muted pink base with very subtle shimmer. The hollow particles come to life under direct sunlight and give it a nice wintry vibe. This is perfect for the winters. It needs 2 coats for full coverage. The best part here is that it is perfect for office wear and yet has an attention-seeking vibe to it. The last one is from Flecks, the mystery of the sea. The list cannot be complete without a thermal polish. This is a teal base with neon green and pink glitters for a funky vibe. It needs 2 coats for full coverage. Dries down to a very nice glossy finish. Because it's a thermal polish, the best part is that it is going from dark blue in a colder temperature to a teal in a warmer temperature. That's your favorite winter polish in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.